guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you would like to see what I got in April's Ipsy bag, then you know what to do. Just keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this month's Ipsy bag slash try on haul. So this is the bag for April, and I'm not going to say anything bad about it this month. It's actually pretty cute. It has different color butterflies on it, and it's like a mauve and like a rose gold kind of situation happening. I'm not mad at the bag, so they've kind of stepped it up just a bit. So let's go ahead and get into the products. So first of all, they have the card, and it's called Social Butterfly Ipsy April 2018. So I guess it wants you to be social, which I'm not really a people person, but I mean, I can get with it. So the first product that I'm going to pull out, because I need to, is this Lemongrass and Green Tea Stimulating Hand Cream. So it's by the company Bubble Bath and Body, and it says don't drink me. Really? I'm never mad when I get hand creams from Ipsy, because I know I'm going to use it, and this will go in my purse. So it's just white, and it smells like a lemon cleaner. Yeah, it smells like Pledge, like the cleaner that you spray on wood to shine it and get all the dust off. That's what it smells like. It's not a very powerful scent, so I think it's okay. So yeah, first product is definitely a go for me. So the next one is what is this? Clarks Botanical's Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream, which I'm really excited about this one. So it says apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed skin and neck. Leave on overnight, rinsing off any residue in the morning. And I did wash my face. I've only applied some under eye cream and a little bit of oil around my lips because they were dry, but I'm just going to put some of this on my cheeks. It says we're supposed to wear it overnight, but I don't like to film at night, and I'm not gonna make this Ipsy video a 2-day event. Don't have time for that, so I'm not gonna put too much because it says to rinse off any excess in the morning. And then it also has a retinol in it. So you don't want to go outside when you have retinol cream on your face. The next product that I have is this brush, and I'm never mad when I get brushes from Ipsy. This can just go in my collection. You can never have too many brushes. So this is by a company called Ruby. I've never heard of this company before, and I don't think we've gotten this brand in our bags before, but it looks like it's a really nice compact crease brush. So what I'm going to do, I already have lashes and liner on, so I'm just going to take MAC Soft Brown and kind of pop that into the crease just to give my eyes a little bit of dimension, and I'll probably put it on the lower lash line too. I just want to see how this works, and it does pick up a lot of product. So let me just pop this in the crease. It's really soft, so that's nice. So the next thing that I have, and I know it's not going to work, is this sample of the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation. I have the shade Tan Y420, but this is what it looks like. It's a pretty decent size sample, but I know it is too orange, too red for me. So it says apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. That's weird. But let me go ahead and just squeeze some out on my hand, which I already did. And even in the summertime, I think this is just too orange for me. So as you guys can tell, this is a pretty orange foundation. And I mean, it blends out really nice. But yeah, it's way too orange for me. So as you can see, it's way too dark, too orange. Damn. Yeah. I would say this is probably like light coverage. Like I have no coverage whatsoever. She's kind of, I mean, it's not super thick and it's not super thin either. Like she's, I don't know, she's like a slim thick foundation, I would say. Like she could use a sandwich or something, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna look like a Oompa Loompa because it's so orange. But yeah, even putting a little bit more on, like it's still super light. Like I can see everything. So probably good for like the spring and the summer. I mean, I can't really say how I feel about it just because the color is so different. So what I'm going to do is apply a foundation over this. But I would say that this is probably a light to maybe medium coverage foundation. It does have SPF. Why do I keep saying that wrong? It does have SPF in it, so I would say this is good for like spring and summer. So I mean, it's nice that they included a high-end foundation. It would be nice if it was even close to my shade, or maybe like even too light and I could kind of darken it up with bronzer and like blush. But I mean, nice try, Ipsy. Nice try. And then I also applied some foundation on top, thinking I could fix the orange. I went in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless, and I also applied concealer like all over the place. And I also like powdered my face so much. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. So anyway, let's move on to the last product, which is a blush from Ofra. And we have gotten blushes from Ofra before. I think I got like a peach blush. This one is called Chameleon, and it's just a single blush. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Oh, it's a really pretty color too. And this is a Sigma brush. I like it. Like, can I just rant for a second? Like, do you guys mind? So I went to Ulta the other day, and when you go to Ulta, you go for the makeup, you go for, you know, just the atmosphere, like you go for the experience. You go for that orange bag that you walk out with, and everyone's like, ooh, I wonder what she got in her bag. So anyway, I get to the register. The girl's putting my stuff in a bag, and let me just show you guys what I walked out with. Okay, so I walked out of Ulta with this. Like, are you kidding me? Like, it looks like I got some chicken lo mein and some crab and cheese wontons. Like, what is this? Like, it could be like some ribs and some potato salad in here. Like, who knows? So I just thought that was super funny. I wanted to share it with you guys. Like, that's never happened to me at Ulta before. So I'm thinking, like, is this a recession, or did someone just forget to order supplies? Who knows? But anyway, so let's just conclude the video. So I think this month's April bag was a hit for me. Like, I liked everything that I got. I even liked the foundation, you know, even though it wasn't the right color and I'm looking pretty crazy right now. I like the blush by Ofra. I love Ofra brushes. I love Ofra blushes. Damn. I like the brush that we got. The retinol cream, I'll just have to use it and figure out if I like it or not. I mean, it's a face cream, so I'm down to try anything. And then what else did we get? And then the hand cream. Yeah, I'm loving the hand cream. It doesn't really smell like anything after you've worn it for a while. So I do like that. And then I also, guys, I even like the bag. It's cute. you know, it'll do. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.